Hello, my friends. I am so happy to have you joining me for an unboxing of Boxy Charm. Now, if you guys don't know what Boxy Charm is all about, well, I'm going to tell you. This box is $21 a month and it has makeup, hair care, you could get facial masks, lipstick, lip gloss. You could even get makeup tools like brushes and what have you, tweezers, any of that stuff really could come in your box. You get, I think it is 4 to 5 full-size beauty products, which is amazing. The palettes in here are amazing. It is just an amazing box. I have to say, this is my #1 favorite makeup subscription box out of all of them, hands down. It is what it is. You have to have a favorite, and this is my favorite. So let's get into this box so we can just see what we got in here. Now, I did take the liberty of cutting it open because you know me. I don't want to watch myself struggle, so here is what we have inside, and there's our pamphlet, and this tells us what's inside our box. Now for the reveal. There is everything in there, and it looks like there's some stuff underneath. So let's see what we have in our box. And this month's theme is alter ego, and I have watched a few unboxings, and I want to say this is about like superhero stuff where you can just be like super Holly, simply super Holly. I don't know, but that's what this is pretty much. I can be who I want to be. So let's see what we have in this box. And first up is from It Cosmetics, which I happen to love It Cosmetics. They are a great product. And this is Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. Wrap your lashes in lengthening, volume boosting, and ultra conditioning formula. The elastic stretch technology and the ultra black tint make for the thickest and most defined lashes ever. So I have a lot of mascara, but I haven't found my favorite yet. So maybe this will turn into be my favorite. I will give this a try. I basically have hardly no makeup on today. Just didn't feel like it. So anyway, the value of this is $24, and it is in super black. That's the color right there on the top here. It says super black. So that should be amazing. Now we have face mask. This is by Dermovia, and this is Lace Appeal Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask. I can't say that word today. And let's see what this says about this. Detoxifying charcoal peel paste and lace compression mask offers spa-like extraction results. The naturally blended peel paste in conjunction with the mask grips to the skin, helping to further draw out impurities for a deep decongestion and exfoliation experience. And this is $30 for this mask. There is 2 of them in there. I still think that that's a little expensive for a mask, but good thing I got it in my box, because I wouldn't pay $30 for it. I just would not. I don't know about the rest of you, but yeah. And then we have Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick, and there's the package. She always has like this super dark packaging, you know, kind of like Queen in the Darkness. But here is that. That's what that is, and this is in the shade Vampira. Vampira. And this is Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. Enjoy a smooth, creamy, lightweight liquid lipstick that stays on all day long. And these, they're on forever. Like you went and got your lips tattooed, I swear. The highly pigmented, vegan and cruelty-free formula coats your lips in just one swipe, delivering the color you want and need. It's infused with vitamin E and sunflower seed oil, giving your lips the moisturizing comfort they deserve. And the price of this is $20. And here is the outrageous color of that. Let's see if I can. It looks like blood. Now myself, I would have to take this and just do a very light and then add something else. I cannot. This color is craziness. Let me see. Right? It looks like my lips are bleeding. Oh my gosh. Wow. That's really dark. I'll probably have to give that to my daughter because it ain't happening over this way. So, no. 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 That is so super dark. I guess when they said highly pigmented, I should have listened. Look at my lips. Yeah. Wow, that is so super dark. No. No way, Jose. This is too dark. Okay, let's move on to the next because, wow, I feel like I'm dressed up for Halloween now. Why did I swatch that? Okay. You live and you learn, right? Yeah. Yep. Okay. Pharmacy Beauty Green Clean. This cult favorite makeup cleansing balm. That's what that looks like. Melts away even the boldest of makeup looks. It's powerful enough to remove every last trace of long wear makeup, yet ultra nourishing on your skin, leaving it hydrated and smooth. And this is $22. So I wonder how you use this. Gently massage onto dry skin. For eye makeup removal, apply to closed eyes. Okay. Rinse with warm water and wipe off with a damp washcloth. Darn it, I was going to use it to take this mess off. Look, it did not come off. So it stays put. I don't know how the heck I'm going to get it off my hand, but it is what it is. Okay, and our last item in this box is a palette. And this is Pure the Complexion Authority Midnight Masquerade palette. This is going to be amazing. That is what the package looks like. Isn't that beautiful? Let's open her up and see what we get. The packaging, beautiful. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Look at those colors. Now I'm gonna flip this like this because there's a mirror down here and you guys don't want to look at the mirror. But there is the colors. Wow, those are pretty colors. I like them. This is Twilight, Hidden Secret, Enchantment, and Reveal. Those are some snazzy names. I especially like these three. Those three are my colors. I love those colors. This one may be a little dark, but we'll see how it works out. And then over here we have Exposed, Sneak Peek, Showtime Mask Off Disguise and 12 a.m. and I will flip that down so that you guys don't have to look at the, those are really pretty colors. I like those colors. Very, very nice. I especially like this side. Very nice, very beautiful colors. Awesome. I do like that. So that's it for my Boxy charm. I hope that you guys enjoyed this unboxing because this is my favorite one. It is always a faster video because you can only get 5 things or 6 things. I can't remember. Sometimes you get 6 things with a bonus item. But I got quite a bit in this box, and like I said, just the one facial cleansing, just this was $22, so this paid for your box right there. All the rest of the stuff was basically free if you look at it that way. And my lips just, oh my goodness gracious, girl, I might have to get this stuff off my lips before my husband gets home and he's like, what the heck have you been doing while I've been gone? So I will see you guys in another video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button over there, and don't forget to check out the videos I've provided right here and here, and there should be one right here. Hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up because I love you guys, and thank you so much for supporting me and keeping me on track because my brain is mush sometimes. So I will see you guys in another video. Bye. Hey guys, I came back on real quick. I'm using this balm stuff and I just wanted to show you. Look at this. It is taking it off, completely taking it off. Isn't that insane? I just wanted to show you that that stuff works wonders. It is taking it right off. I have a paper towel here so that I can wipe it off to show you guys. Look at that. Crazy, right? It's all on there. That took that stuff right off of my skin. That is amazing stuff. It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. This stuff works freaking amazing. Wonder, I know, I'm crazy. Let's see. Let's see. It works even on your lips. I would have never gotten that stuff off without. Look at that. It works. So get yourself some of this stuff. I swear I should sell this. This stuff is amazing. It works. You can keep it in your purse and carry it with you and take your makeup off anywhere you want to. Okay guys, I'm out of here. I'm blown away by this product. So it is off my hands. It is not stained. That is amazing. I am impressed. Way to go, BoxyCharm. You have done it again. You blew me out of the water again. Yeah, love it. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Bye now.